what is up. So had to go get the car today, and before we did that, I was in my truck, so I ended up taking the truck because I was actually going to try to find a door for the Civic. They had a 98 that came in to the junkyard, so I figured I would go down there, see what's up. Like 95% of the time when they come in, it's usually a 4-door. So I'm actually looking for the passenger door. Now the car that came in was a 4-door, but the passenger side door had a huge dent in it, so I couldn't get it. That sucks because I just need this door. I just don't want a freaking sand bondo. I don't want to bondo the door, so I'd rather just replace the door and that'd be it. So one of the things I found this, it's like been like a kind of a gem thing. I've been finding all these gems, so I found another one of these. This one's actually in better shape than the other one I had, and it's just dirty. It needs to be cleaned up. No fading. Actually, it's in really good shape. So this one is going to go in this car, and it just brings it a little bit closer to being finished. So there's that. At least we got that done. Yesterday I worked on the Silver Civic all day. Let me show you what I did to that. Yesterday I was working on this, and I got my adjustable cam gear. This is the VMS gear. I got this put on, new timing belt, new water pump, new idler pulley. Got the front end, the exhaust is bolted on. I need to get this stuff put back together and bolted on. And then I got to reconnect all the hoses because I disconnected the intake manifold completely, thinking it might be easier to bolt that directly onto the head so I don't have to freaking wrestle with that bolt in the center. But that did not work. Like, trying to get the head back on was a really big pain in the butt. So ended up having to pull this back off, put the head on by itself to get it on there. We use a Fel-Pro gasket, so that should be good. I'm hoping it'll outlast the other gasket that we use. The other gasket just couldn't deal with it. But yeah, just got to button all this stuff back up, and then we'll be good. Alright, so she is running good today. So when I put the motor back together the other day, basically the adjustable cam gear was like a tooth off, and I couldn't see it really very well. So I used my phone to check it today. I actually disassembled the motor again, checked all that, put it back together, tightened everything back up. It is idling perfectly, and everything's set where it was set before, and it's not freaking not doing anything weird. So it's got plenty of power. So the only thing I have to do tomorrow is replace the radiator, and then we're good to go. This was a pain in the butt, but it's done. So this car is pretty much almost finished. I only have like a little bit more to go to it. The 4-door, I have some stuff to do to that, and I'm just kind of holding off because I got another project. I'll show you that later. You guys take it easy. Peace.